Hey guys, here's another cool product that was sent to me. I've had these products, mixing bowls. These are a 6-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set. 7-quart, 6-piece non-slip nesting bowls. Very cool. I got my wife a set of mixing bowls by this brand for Christmas, I believe it was, and she loves them. And I found these, and I'm gonna tell you what I like about this set. I'm gonna open it up real quick. I already opened the box. This set comes with a lot of stuff. Again, I've had this brand before and I love it. They have a lifetime warranty. Easy to register for the warranty. So it comes with lids, silicone lids. Very, very, very cool. Very nicely made. Only thing, remember, I don't believe these are dishwasher safe. The bowls are. I could be wrong, but it comes with all this stuff. And it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bowls. And then the cool thing I like about this is the graters. It's got a built-in grater. I'm gonna open one of these up to show you what I mean. You see the bowls come in plastic. These things are very nice. I'm gonna try to do this real quick so you can see why I like this set and went ahead and got this set as well. Let me find it. All right, I'm gonna point out some cool features here. This is like a non-slip, so it's not gonna slide all over the counter. This particular bowl is, I think the second to the largest bowl, has a special lid that has an insert. This pops on and off, and these have several different graters. Obviously nicely sealed. See, you can like grade like vegetables, cheese, shred cheese. See, you got the different ones. And it fits right here. Gotta figure it out. There it goes. You put it in, I had it backwards. Put it in like that. And I hope to do a demonstration, a live demonstration. Excuse all the noise. There we go. Goes like that so it don't fall through. So you put it in there, and I'm hoping to do a cooking demonstration. You take the cheese, block cheese, and shred it. It goes right into the bowl. I thought that was very cool. Like I said, I've already have a set of these, but it does not have this feature. And again, these are very nicely made. I hope to do some more videos on exactly using this so you can see it. But again, comes with all this, and they all have the non-slip. My wife loves them. I'm not really into mixing bowls, but these things are cool. That's why I went ahead and got this set. She already has a set, but her set don't have this. I'm gonna use this even if she don't.